Hi, teacher, and everyone. Today I want to talk about a very important issue, the trash in the streets and the global social problem in general. The trash or waste is not just something we throw away and forget. It is a growing problem that affects our environment, our health, and our society. Around the world, we produce millions of tons of trash every single day, and most of it is not handled properly. This has serious consequences for all of us. Let's start with the environment. Trash, especially plastic, is everywhere. It fills our streets, parks, rivers, and oceans. Plastics waste is one of the biggest problem because it does not decompose. A plastic bottle, for example, can take hundreds of years to break down. During this time, it pollutes the land and the water. In the ocean, animals like sea turtles, birds, and fish often mistake plastic for food. When they eat it, it can block their stomach and kill them. In fact, millions of animals die each year because of trash. But it's not just about animals. Trash also pollutes our air, water, and soil. When garbage is burned, it releases harmful gases into the air. When it is dumped in rivers or on land, toxic chemicals can leak into the water we drink and the soil where we grow our food. This makes trash not only an environmental issue, but also a health issue. People, especially in poorer communities, can get sick because of polluted air and water. Trash is also a social problem. In many countries, per communities live close to large piles of garbage. These areas are often called landfills or dump sites. The people living nearby face terrible conditions. They deal with bad smells, dirty water, and a higher risk of diseases like infection and respiratory problems. Sometimes children in these communities have no choice but to work in these dump sites to survive, which is dangerous and unfair. So, what can we do about this problem? The good news is that there are solutions and we can all help. First, we need to reduce the amount of trash we create. This means using fewer single-use plastics like bags, bottles, and straws. Instead, we can use reusable items. Second, we need to reuse things instead of throwing them away. For example, old clothes or containers can have a second life. Third, we need to recycle more. Sorting our trash at home and recycled material like paper, glass, and metal can make a big difference. Governments and companies also have a role to play. They can create better systems for managing waste, such as building recycling centers and banning harmful materials like single use plastics. Education is also important. People needing to understand how trash affects the planet and what they can do to help. In conclusion, trash is not just a small problem, it is a global crisis. It harms our environment, our health, and communities. Let's make the world a cleaner, healthier, and better place for everyone. The future depends on what we do today.